It's now a month after the Prime Minister's demonetization move to curb black money. The scenario hasn't changed outside banks and ATMs. People continue to stand in long queues outside banks and ATMs as they face the woes of the note ban. Even after a month, their worries continue. The initial excitement of demonetization has dried up, though people still support the decision, but now they are questioning the implementation with even more vigor. The situation also remains unchanged in rural areas where banks are still running out of cash. People blocked roads and protested outside this rural bank in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri. Here's a report.
On 8th of November, the Prime Minister announced demonetization. 1 month down the lane on 8th of December today, the long queues outside ATM and bank branches are raring to go, and you have as much as almost 100-meter long queues still waiting, braving the winter chill of Delhi. Some waiting since 6 a.m. in the morning for the chance to withdraw 24,000, hoping that they'll get the chance to withdraw their allotted money of the week. Let's get a sense that whether they still support, still that excitement is there or not. Sir, आप कितने बजे से सुबह खड़े हैं?
5 बजे से सर।
5 बजे से?
जी सर।
अब दिक्कत तो जाहिर तौर पे हो रहा है, लेकिन
हो रही है।
लेकिन आप नोटबंदी के समर्थन में अभी भी हैं?
समर्थन में है सर, लेकिन कोई सुधार तो नहीं हो रहा है ना।
सुधार नहीं हो रहा।
1 महीना हो गया, सुधार तो होना चाहिए। लाइन वैसा ही है, भीड़ वैसा ही है, दिक्कतें वही सही हो रही है।
सर, आप कितने बजे से हैं?
5 बजे से हम लोग सब साथ में हैं।
साथ में हैं? हाँ जी। आप जाहिर तौर पे दिक्कत हो रहा है, लेकिन पहले जो आशा थे, जो उम्मीद थे, वो अभी भी बरकरार है?
हाँ, बरकरार है। हाँ।
आपका क्या है?
5 बजे से।
5 बजे से। वो अभी नोटबंदी के जो शुरू में समर्थन में थे, वो अभी भी समर्थन में है? समर्थन में है। आप अभी भी नोटबंदी के समर्थन में है या नहीं है?
समर्थन में है।
After 1 month of a demonetization, still you can see the queues outside banks because most of the ATMs of banks are not working. Some are saying that the servers are down, some are saying there is no cash. Right now I'm standing outside the Curry Road branch of ICICI. Let's go across to few people who are standing here in a queue. We have one female with us. Ma'am, first tell me your name, ma'am.
Banaifa.
Banaifa, ma'am, from how long you're standing in a queue?
From 9 o'clock.
Okay, and this is the first time you're standing in a queue?
No, sir. Even last Thursday I was there. Before that even I was there. Yesterday the same problem.
You're holding a check in your hand, so
yes.
It seems that you're going to withdraw.
Withdraw.
But what about the ATM?
ATM is not functioning. It's never open. I haven't seen. You can ask the watchman over here.
Okay.
Even if you come at 8 o'clock night, no, ATM is closed. There's no money in the bank.
It's been 1 month that government has taken this decision. So what kind of effect it has on your life, basically?
The thing is, it's a disaster for me because I go late for work. Every day the same story. And even the household expenses I have to pay everybody. With 2,000 rupees note, who is going to accept that?
So are you getting a lower denomination notes over here?
I still haven't got any money from here.
Okay.
Not a single paisa.
So that's the reaction we are getting from the customers who are standing in a queue since early in the morning, 9 a.m. in the morning before the branch gets started. In Mumbai with camera person Sai Prasad Patil, Mayuresh Kanpate for India Today.